Education Minister Rakkam Sangma inaugurated the Integrated Teacher Education Program and also launched the software of Kiang Nangbah Government College during its 58th Foundation Day celebration. He also honored Dr. Sharai Lin War Solang and Dr. Sarah Lin Kharbhi for their PhD degrees. Additionally, 2 top students of the college were facilitated. The minister emphasized the importance of education beyond mere academic success, highlighting its role in nurturing responsible citizens as outlined in the National Education Policy. He called for collective efforts to tackle the state's high dropout rates and underscored the transformative power of education in addressing global challenges.
At the very earliest. And would like to tell you, my dear friends, especially the vacancies, the more than 130 plus vacancies across the state in the higher education. Be the government college, be the university, the B.Ed college, and different diets, the more than about 130 plus vacancies. And the order formality is almost completed, and we are going to issue the advertisement very soon. And we will make sure all the vacancies are filled at the very earliest.